Have you ever wondered if there's a cheaper way to travel between cities in Japan without riding the Shinkansen? What if I tell you, Tomodachi, that you can travel from Nagoya to Tokyo overnight, sleep comfortably, and wake up in a new city for almost half the price? Today, I'll show you our real experience riding Wheeler Express, plus a step-by-step tutorial on how you can book your ticket online. Welcome to all my Tomodachis out there here in my channel. Let's go! So ayun na nga, Hiroshi-san and Eliza were kind enough to drop us off sa Nagoya Station, where our bus terminal was. Honestly, they made our Aichi adventure so much easier and memorable. Kaya sa inyong dalawa, arigatou gozaimasu talaga. We left Aisai around 10 PM to catch our night bus. Yes, night bus siya. And I'll explain later bakit mas pinili namin yun. After about 20 minutes, nandun na kami sa Nagoya Station. Sobrang bilis lang, walang traffic. We said our goodbyes, medyo emotional ng konti.
友達またね、助けてありがとう
Tokyo, riding a Wheeler bus from Nagoya to Tokyo. So this is the first time, let's go. And then, reality hit. Okay, where's our bus? Hindi ko i-deny, medyo nahirapan kami ni Freya hanapin sa una. Medyo nakaka-pressure din kasi night bus siya. Ayaw mo malate eh. But thankfully, may mga staff guide outside the station helping passengers. So don't panic if first time mo. Pro tip agad, Tomodachi. Arrive at least 20 to 30 minutes early. Hindi naghihintay ang bus. Once umalis yan, wala na. And honestly, I respect that kasi they have to think about all the passengers, hindi lang ikaw. So ayun, nakahinga kami ng maluwag when we finally found our bus. Now let's talk about booking. Kasi super dali lang niya. We booked online through wheelerexpress.com. Sa homepage pa lang, you can already search your route. Type mo lang kung saan ka galing at saan ka pupunta. For example, Tokyo to Nagoya. Or flip mo lang if baliktad like ours. Nagoya to Tokyo. Makikita mo agad na nagva-vary yung price depending on the date. Usually, mas mura kapag nag-book ka in advance or weekday travel. So if may fixed itinerary ka na, better book early. After choosing your date, pipiliin mo lang yung boarding at drop-off location. Kami, we chose Shinjuku Terminal sa Tokyo. Then select number of passengers, click select a plan, and choose the web discount plan kung available. Mas mura siya compared to booking on-site. Simple lang talaga yung process. You can also check cancellation policy, seat details, and luggage information before purchasing, which I highly suggest gawin nyo para walang surprises. Now let's talk about the seat. We chose the relax seat, which is one of their popular options. Yung relax seat, may head cover siya for privacy. May built-in pillow. May divider between seats. Though akala namin adjustable siya, but fixed pala siya. So medyo konting sikip feeling if you're not used to compact spaces. And syempre, reclining seat. Just be considerate when reclining. Konting lingon sa likod, make sure okay sa passenger behind you. May USB charging port din, which is super important. May maliit na pocket for drinks or small items. And hook for jacket or bag. Overall, comfortable naman siya. Hindi siya luxury level like first class airplane, but for the price, solid na. Pagpasok namin ng bus, wala siyang assigned seat number. So first come, first choose. But make sure you're not sitting in the women only area if hindi ka naka-reserve doon. They have designated ladies seat for added privacy and safety, which I think is really nice.
Wow!
So bakit nga ba kami nag-night bus instead of Shinkansen? Simple lang. First, it's cheaper. Second, you have saved one night of accommodation. And third, you don't waste your daytime traveling. Instead of sitting 2 hours sa Shinkansen during the day, we explored all day in Aichi, then slept during the trip. Ayun yung bus namin. Then dito yung sa Ano meron dito? Uy, sulit, may pagkain. Sulit to ah. So drinks, sana may favorite ako. Sisi Lemon, Nay. Sisi Lemon. So, pag umaga may bilihan din ng souvenir dito. Ayan. May ano. May, ang pangalan ito? Ghibli Films. So, mga souvenirs. Since this is Nagoya, sikat ang Ghibli dito. May coffee. So, 11:25 ang balik. Ano oras na ba? 11:18. 7 minutes pa. Ang binili mo?
Favorite. Lemon honey.
Uy, sarap niya na. Ako, cola. Cola ako, Coke Zero. Para pampagising.
Bakit ang patulog?
Sobrang smooth ng andar, no?
Parang di umaandar.
Yeah. Ako, nasisikipan. Pero medyo nakuha ko na yung pesto ko. Pwede akong sumandal dun sa may naka-cover. So, hindi pa. Travel time from Nagoya to Tokyo is around 6 to 7 hours depending on the traffic. Since overnight siya, tulog lang talaga most of the time. The bus stopped 3 times sa highway service areas. The driver announces how many minutes you have, usually around 10 to 20 minutes. Important reminder, bumalik ka before the time. Hindi ka nila hahanapin. They will leave on schedule. Kaya natulog sa loob ng bus. Ay lumabas. So ako, baka iihi ako. And check kung may mga pagkain dito. So ayan yung toilet. Ang lalaki doon, ang babae dito. And may bilihan doon sa dulo. Mukhang vending machine lang na naman. Pero sana may pagkain. Let's check. Yes, thank you Lord. Di lang may convenience store. Let's check for some food. Bili natin. Tuna sandwich. Parang custard and donut. Parang donut na may chocolate. So, meron din dito na ano, na capsule. Ayan. Lagay lang ay. Tapos dito, bilihan ng omiyagi ata dito. Sa lubong. Omiyagi. Buti bukas sila. Parang sarap nito. Magkano to? 1,260 yan. Medyo mahal. Pero gaya may yung presyo ng mga pampasalubong. O si ano? Anong pangalan nito? Anong pangalan ng anime na to? Ayan. So, may kainan. Meron din kainan dito. Pero parang mga ano lang, isa lang yung bukas. Ano lang siya. Parang mga lugaw-lugaw. Ano ba yan? Ramen. May chocolate. Godiva. Chocolates. Tapos, ayun. Keychains. Hindi tayo nakabili ng Nagoya na ref magnet. Let's check yung mga laruan dito. Meron dito Nagoya ref magnet. Meron kaya? Ito yung mga titindang pagkain. Soba-soba. Udon. Wala. May ref magnet. Dami natin buhay ng Nagoya na ref magnet. Wala na kasing oras eh. Keychains lang. Keychains. No ref magnet. Wale si Heidi. Tamiya. Ano meron dito? Food trip. Puro pang omiyagi dito. Puro pang omiyagi. Not sure kung anong tawag sa lugar na to, pero ayun, yan. May ano dito. Nagoya. Ay hindi. Hello Kitty, may melody. Hindi na ito Nagoya to eh. Balik na ako. Baka maiwan ako ng bus. Ayan yung namumugto pa yung mata ko. Namumugto pa yung mata ko pero kasi nakatulog ako sa bus. Then nagising na lang ako dahil nga may toilet break kami. So yun, babalik na ako. Ewan ko ano po yung mga naiwan dun. Ano pa rin namin, kasama namin sa bus. Shit, may malaking truck. Baka maipit ako. Ay, umalis siya. So halos puro truck yung mga nandito. So siguro stopover ng mga truck to. Kaya may ganito. Basta kamaya lang ulit. Pagbalik ko doon kakain ako. Then baka matulog lang ulit. Mag 1:40 pa lang. Mag 1:40 pa lang. And yun, malayo-layo pa ang biyahe. We still have 4 hours to go bago makarating sa Shinjuku. And susunduin kami nila mama. See you later guys sa next stopover natin. After the first stop, si Freya tuloy-tuloy na ang tulog. By the second stop, nag-stretch lang kami saglit. Third stop, I didn't even go down. Diretso tulog. And honestly, the ride was smooth. Walang hilo. Hindi mo masyadong mararamdaman yung movement. Parang nagising ka na lang, nasa Tokyo ka na.
Touchdown.
Pagdating namin, we collected our luggage. Quick reminder, usually up to 2 pieces of luggage per passenger lang ang allowed sa compartment. So don't overpack. If madami kang dala, you can ship your luggage through services like Yamato para mas convenient. So Tomodachi, hindi na ako bumaba nung third na stopover. Sentok na antok ako kaya hindi na rin ako nakuha ng video. Pero super solid yung experience. And yan, natulog lang kami ni Freya. Kumain ako, natulog lang si Freya, puro tulog lang. And pag maya pagdating na kasi namin na Shinjuku na kami. And super solid experience. Sobrang mura. And kung talagang hindi nyo na gusto mag-hotel, pwede kayong matulog sa bus. Pag gising nyo na umaga, nag-Shinjuku na kayo. Paglabas namin ng terminal, grabe ang lamig. It was December, so legit winter cold. Good thing my father picked us up and treated us to a ramen near Shinjuku. Best feeling ever. Hot ramen after overnight travel. So, is riding Wheeler Express worth it? If you want to save money, maximize your time, and you don't mind sleeping on a bus? Yes, it's a very practical option. Shinkansen is faster, yes. But overnight bus? Budget-friendly and efficient. Personally, I'd do it again. So if you're planning your Japan trip and looking for ways to travel smarter, maybe give Night Bus a try. So that's it for today, Tomodachi. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you'll be updated to my future travel vlogs dito sa Japan. Mata ne!